Welcome back, you bunch of degenerates.
Wake up, Web3. Wake up.
Oh, we're waking up. We're
I
waking
need
up.
some wake up juice.
You know what? I don't normally do this. Excuse me, guys.
It's wake up juice time. I need some wake up juice because I didn't sleep well last night. Yes,
Oh,
do it.
damn. I got DoorDash today. They're doing the Monopoly thing. McDonald's. McDonald's. You want to come sponsor the show? You know where we're at.
Dude,
What's up,
I am so bad about wanting to play the McDonald's Monopoly game. I don't know why I am like addicted to that. I forgot it was going on. I haven't been to McDonald's yet. I'm gonna have to do that.
I love it. Most of my my IRL circle knows that I refer to the U.S. dollar as monopoly money quite frequently. So I have monopoly.
Well, I mean, it is. It definitely is.
Yeah, guys, we have an interesting show to talk about today. So, we had some pretty recent news just come that we are going to discuss today in relation to crypto and AI and some big changes that are coming and some announcements from the president. But before
I thought crypto was all over. It's dead. It's going to zero. We said that yesterday. It's going to zero.
Yesterday it was all over. Now we're back, guys. So we're gonna get into everything here in a second. But first,
I can't handle this. If you're feeling like that, maybe go invest in, Facebook and Netflix, and that's fine.
Oh, so guys, we are gonna start with the infamous bubbles. So let's.
There we go. We're gonna do that instead.
And one thing I really am excited to share today, guys, is one project that we've been talking about for the last few weeks is absolutely ripping right now. And if you guys have been paying attention, you are doing very, very well.
What's wrong with your screen share?
What is wrong? What is wrong with my screen share? We're going to go ahead and stop screen sharing. Okay.
Do that again.
Okay.
That was weird.
I blame the internet.
I do too. I blame Trump.
Oh, because I have 2 crypto bubbles up. No way. Okay, here. We'll try it like this. Okay, perfect. So, I have been clearly
you have to reshare it, though.
Yeah, I know. Here we go.
There it is.
I have been clearly watching this project. Oh, I'm zoomed out. That's why. Oh, no. Sorry,
Look at that screen. I like your background there.
Thanks, dog. All right, hold on. I got to get back to the crypto bubbles. And we'll do full screen, so maybe that's the issue. Yeah, I don't know why it's being weird. Whatever. That's good for now. So guys, we have been talking a lot about ICP recently. It is up 133% for the week, guys. It is absolutely ripping right now. For the day, it's up another 33%. We talked about this project literally yesterday, and we
have a short. If you go into our channel and look at our shorts, Reptar did a short where he pulled out our prediction from October 15th on ICP. So if you're curious if we've gotten anything right, go watch that short clip on ICP.
And guys, we do a lot of research into these projects that we talk about, and ICP has gotten a really bad rap over the past couple of years. I mean, if you look at the price, it was down so much. It was all the way at $15. I think we dropped to some point where it was about $2.40, guys. It really dropped. And a lot of people thought this was a dead project. And we're seeing a huge revival right now. And I'm almost certain this has a lot to do with their new caffeine AI protocol that just came out. Essentially, it's like ChatGPT that allows you to build smart contracts. So anybody that wants to build, I actually had it create a smart contract coin called Rug Pull just to test it out. And it was so cool. That's going to be in the video. We're going to be posting the AI video probably today, guys. And it's going to show you some of the top AI projects that we're looking at. And ICP is spoiler alert going to be on that list because it's doing really big things, not only with just AI, but the project in general has a lot going on. So really good to see this up so much, guys. I do think ICP is still going to do some serious gains here, but we're almost 2x. So get it. Rest of the market, not really doing very much right now. I mean, some of our favorites like HBAR still down. Ondo down. Our favorite
Meth.
I didn't even remember what it was really called. Mantle. That's what it was called. I just know it is meth now because we just beat the horse to death. Trump up near protocol. Very interesting. There's a reason all the AI projects are up today, guys. Look at that. Near also on the AI list. Spoiler alert. But we'll get that video out for you guys today.
That's a 10% move on the daily there.
It should have been out by now, but we'll have it out.
It says 5%, but that should be 10%.
I know, right? That's strange.
Because that's 12, 15.
Yeah.
It's 9%.
Yeah, but if you guys look, I mean, Near is still down 50% for the year. These are still some really good buying opportunities, even though these projects are moving. But why are these projects moving right now? Why is AI and only AI the sector of crypto today that is sending?
Well, very good question.
Can you, if you have it available readily, can you just pull up the clip that I shared earlier at the Twitter post? Or here, I can grab it. No worries. Where is it? Here we go. I know there's a couple. That's why I'm
12 different windows, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure I have which one you're talking about.
No, it's all good. Here we go. So guys, this just happened. This was about 3 hours ago. And this was an announcement made by the president at the White House. Trump says crypto will take a lot of pressure off the US dollar, and it does a lot of good things. What does he mean? All right, I'm gonna full screen this.
I'll pull that up here.
Perfect.
Nope, I don't want it over there. Dang it. You stupid Norbert.
Guys, it's our first day. Sorry.
Put it over here.
You got it.
I got it.
Good luck, Frosty. Fosky.
Frosty. Here we go.
All right. So, the sun's coming out right in the face. All right, guys. Yep. So let's hear what was said today. This is a big deal.
Oh, dang it. I don't have my 1 second.
Okay. All good.
Do this because I have to restart the share because I don't have it sharing sound. So give me just a second,
guys. It's our first day. Okay. I still can't believe ICP's moving like that, man. I wish I bought more, man. I really do. I mean, I got a good amount of it before I made the video.
I did that again. Stupid.
JC needs more caffeine today.
JC is just there. Share audio. Click the button, you moron.
JC's rule number 1.
We're just not going to share that. We're just Reptile. I'm just. Shoot me now.
All right, hold on. Wait, I think I can do it from this end. Maybe. There we go.
So once we're done with the morning show, I'm going to go back to bed.
All right. We'll try one more time.
Let's do
go. No, the suspense, guys. This is big. It's worth the suspense. I promise. Mr. Gray is loving it in the chat right now. It's so good. Okay, so share. Also share audio tab. Perfect. Bam.
So on today's video, if you will dislike today's video,
no
good grief.
Hey, we're doing great in the views right now. Okay, don't you worry about that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and play this, guys. Blow us up in the chat if you can't hear it. But again, this was a really big deal, and I'm not overhyping this. Listen to this, guys.
For 3 years, to embrace a vital industry here in Miami. I've also signed historic executive orders to end the federal government's war on crypto. Crypto is under siege. It's not under siege anymore because it's a big industry. It's a big industry, and I have a lot of people that are great people, great business people. They're in other businesses, but they're in crypto too. And it takes a lot of the pressure off the dollar. It does a lot of good things, but we're into it. Biden was vicious on crypto. They were going after these crypto guys. It was terrible. They were under indictment, but I got indicted too. I got indicted. I made a phone call. Congratulations on your victory. He made a phone call. Let's indict him. These people are the worst. Then they say, he's gone after Comey. They indicted me. They impeached me. They did everything. It's unbelievable. Who the hell else could have taken that? Do you guys know anybody else that could have taken it? I don't think so. A lot of people say, you're the only one could have taken that. I don't know if that's true, but there aren't too many. We're making the United States the Bitcoin superpower, the crypto capital of the world, and the undisputed leader in artificial intelligence. We're leading China by a lot. And don't forget, if we don't do the crypto properly, China wants to do it. They're starting it, but they want to do it. Other countries want to do it. If we don't do it, it's a big industry. We're honored to be.
Well, so that is the gist of why AI is pumping today, guys, because not only have we known for a while that, Bitcoin is in crypto, the US is very interested in it and wants to, embrace it in this new system, but AI is also on their radar. We've been talking a lot about DeFi, we've been talking a lot about crypto, and we've also been talking a lot about AI because it's a big part of what we do here at Alpha Origins as well. And AI is really starting to get a foothold and getting a lot of attention and, these different and there's not a ton of AI projects out there. There really isn't. Like, when I was doing research for the video, it was actually really easy to identify which were the good projects and which ones really weren't, because there's not a lot of projects that are really doing very much right now. But there are a few, and we've talked about a few of them. ICP came up, Render came up, Near came up, but there are some other ones that I think are really big sleepers. And the US is taking crypto and AI very, very seriously. And as you just heard from the president's mouth, whether you like the president or not, we don't get political here, but there is a very real interest to get involved in this multi-billion-dollar industry. And I think this is huge news, and clearly so does the markets, because AI is what's pumping today, guys. So,
guys, look, it doesn't matter who's running what country. When there are trillions of dollars in an up and coming new tech and business sector, people want to get involved. I don't care what country. I don't care if it's purple, alien, communist, snoo, whatever, from 6 galaxies away. If there's trillions of dollars, they want to be involved.
Absolutely. And,
I want to know where that came from. Good grief.
It reminded me of Futurama. So it gave me Futurama vibes. But I do want to pull up a CoinMarketCap real quick. Take a look at the fear and greed index.
That I can do.
Oh, JC's got it. Cool.
As long as it doesn't involve sharing sound, apparently I can do it.
Hold on. No way, dude. Look, this just popped.
All right, here, you screen share.
This just popped in the top 100, guys, literally just now. And you are never going to guess. I'm going to give you guys a quick guess on what you think it might be related to.
RLUSD.
No. Good.
Why are we echoing?
Close guess. What is this? Up 200% randomly out of nowhere. Unable to share screen.
Reptar, no, you're good. It's up.
You're Ella. Yeah. Every day.
Although we can hear me echoing in your screen.
Oh, no. Yes.
Because you're still sharing sound. Looky.
No, hold on. I have to do this. There we go. Better?
Which thing are you saying is 43 million market cap? We were talking about crypto as a whole, not necessarily any one token.
Is that sharing now? Okay, cool. So this obviously
No.
just it's not sharing.
What is going on with Restream today?
I don't know. That's weird.
We do this every day.
I know. Guys,
Here,
it's not really our first day. This is episode 50.
Oh, here we go.
Thanks. So, guys, a $500 million market cap. Super low. Not really. I mean, kind of. Still lower.
Man.
$500 million. It looks like it is a very new project. It's not even up for a year, but for the day, it's up almost 200%. Why? Because it's AI. Was this also on our list?
No.
Perhaps. No, it wasn't. But
you can't buy it on Coinbase yet.
No.
So
but
you're gonna have to go DEX it.
This basically it's up almost a 4x for the week. But again, AI is one of the narratives this cycle. AI is going to absolutely rip, guys. And if you're looking into these different industries in crypto, this is probably the one I would be paying attention to right now. Last cycle, it was gaming. The cycle before that, it was DeFi. I still think it's going to be DeFi. DeFi is going to be huge moving forward. But AI is this cycle's narrative. So I think it's important to take a look at that. But anyway, sorry, that just popped up. I had to share that. It's up 203% for the day. It's still going up, guys. But JC, let's check out the overall market.
Please don't say going up, because that song is still stuck in my head.
Going up on a Thursday. Damn. All right, so coin market cap. Let's get it.
I got it. 1 second. Oh, wrong one. I've got to make sure I click the right window. There we go.
It's
Ta-da!
very interesting, yeah, because we're actually still in fear, guys. You know, we almost hit extreme fear yesterday. We were actually
we're up 4 points. Yesterday we were at 20. Today we're at 24,
and we're still in oversold. You know, and we're still in heavy Bitcoin dominance right now. The market cap is at 3.4 trillion. I remember we were at 4 trillion just last month. So
markets wild. Don't peak. Bull runs don't peak in fear.
No, they do not. So, guys, I think we're running out of time. I said this yesterday. I think the bottom was in yesterday. I am standing by that. And I really think after this government shutdown, we're going to see some serious price movement. So I really think people need to be panicking at this point if you're not, positioning yourself properly in some of these projects.
Yeah.
Hedera,
hey, that's a good pickup. That's a
guys.
good pickup right there.
If you're not buying HBAR at 16 cents, what are you doing? Not financial.
I didn't buy any at 16 cents because my average price is like 8 cents. But
I actually just bought a little bit of Hedera today. I need to diversify a little bit more, but I couldn't resist. 16 cents is just
Yep, it's a good one. So let me bring you a little bit of the rest of the news, as we've been running our mouths for 20 minutes and not really getting anywhere.
Hey, we had some technical difficulties. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin is a scam, crypto is trash. Oh, wait, no, he doesn't. He says crypto and blockchain and stable coins and JP Morgan deposit coin and smart contracts. Yeah. You remember this guy telling you that crypto was a scam and Bitcoin was a pet rock? It's wild to look back at some of the things. What Trump said was absolutely accurate, where, they have just savagely attacked crypto over the years. Savagely. And the whole time they've just been loading their bags.
I thought I already sent you your HBAR.
Mr. Mark.
Tag me, tag me in your DM. I thought I already sent that. Sorry. Oh, is that from last night? Oh, I haven't sent anything from last night. I haven't. Yeah, it's less than 12 hours. Give me a break.
But yeah, guys,
we did have a fun game night. We did another random airdrop for our holders, but also gave away a bunch of prizes, including a couple of Kodamaras.
Yeah, we had a special guest from Legends of the Mara, one of the guilds associated with Legends of the Mara. They're working with Yuga Labs or the Bored Ape IP, and they're really trying to get some movement on some of these IPs associated with the other side, and we're really excited to kind of get involved with that too. But we just did our own airdrop for the holders for our NFT project, and we definitely are excited to keep, doing more in the NFT industry. I still don't think NFTs are dead, guys. I think they're just the last thing people are paying attention to right now, but that doesn't mean they're going anywhere. So we're still getting send it while it's 16 cents now. He
That's
says
right. He gets more if I send it now.
AI, that new AI project up 232% again. ICP almost up 40% for the day, guys. Prices just keep moving as more and more people
AI is moving,
are realizing what is going on right now.
I do want to check in. We're just going to do a couple of news highlights here. I will give the update on day 2 of the Ripple SwellCon.
Ripple,
conference.
yes, we need to know the Ripple news.
But this is from Rupert at All in Crypto. Stellar has joined Fireblocks, Polygon, Matic, Miston Labs, Monad, Solana, and Toncoin to form the Blockchain Payments Consortium. And they represent 10 trillion in annual stablecoin value, which stablecoin value to me is a joke. That's like saying US dollar value. They can make more. You just go click, click, click. Oh, look, I added $30 trillion market cap to USDT. Woo! Big freaking deal.
It's funny because when that whole crypto crash happened, I watched Tether and those coins drop to 90 cents or something like that. That's stable coins aren't even that stable, so remember that.
So this is interesting. At Ripple Swell, and we'll get to this. I mean, this involves Ripple, so I'll just mention it now. But if Ripple were to prioritize going public today, we definitely look at the U.S. markets. That is a far cry from Ripple has no desire to IPO at this time. Just want to point that out. Here you go. ICP surged 37.5% in a day, making it a biggest gainer. This is for you, Ice.
ICP for weeks, guys. Weeks.
This is for you, Ice. At SmartCon 2025, which was also going on the last couple of days, Chainlink highlighted how Link's tech is leading the global standard for oracles while dodging the Amazon Web Services downtime. Key point to make there. Oh, I thought that's a video, not a. I thought I was going to zoom in.
So much bullish momentum right now. It's insane. It really is.
Let's see. Yep. This is true right here. This is 100%. I wanted to highlight this, and then we'll move on. Dips exist to transfer Bitcoin from weak hands to strong hands. 100%.
Please, sir, can I have some more?
And finally, the POV in the group chat in 2029 after you bought the right altcoins in 2025.
Bro, that's better than a jetpack. Let's get it. Can we do
that?
Flying
couch.
Is that actually a flying couch, or is it? It's AI.
It's a flying couch.
It's AI.
Either that, or they're just high as. All right. Anyway, let's
see. I love how they have all the projects that I'm holding too in that post. Love that.
That's right. Yeah, follow All in Crypto. He does great market analysis. He also does technical analysis for stuff that's not particularly crypto, but he's got some great stuff. Yeah, more HBAR for $10. That is freaking right. Because holders win double prizes. Anyway, the NASDAQ CEO was at Ripple Swell talking about Ripple and the being an underpinning, being a railway for the efficiency of the U.S. financial system. The Ripple ledger, not necessarily XRP, but XRP is integral to the Ripple ledger. But the ledger is the tech. XRP is the token.
No, it's an important distinction to make. Yeah.
Yeah. And this, I'm gonna say this, and then I'm gonna give you a caveat that will make Ice happy. Boom! Ripple and MasterCard have officially partnered to revolutionize the financial system. Yes, that is great. You know who else has partnered with MasterCard? Everyone. Link, HBAR, Ethereum, Solana. MasterCard is partnering with everyone. So, yes, it is good for Ripple, but it is not the greatest, most earth-shattering thing ever. Link partnered with MasterCard a long time ago. Cool. Great. It's not boom worthy. Sorry.
And guys,
sorry, Jack the Riddler.
And just to put this into perspective also, Bitcoin is worth more than MasterCard and Visa combined.
Yep.
Okay. So like crypto's here to stay. And the old money is trying to hop onto the new money's boat before they get left behind.
And they're making sure to manipulate the market so they can get as much as possible for as cheap as possible so that they can continue to have wealth, power, and influence.
And I really hope you guys are doing the same.
Yep.
I hope you guys are accumulating these assets while they are dumping them. So
I don't want power and influence. I just like a little wealth.
Yeah.
That's
guys,
it.
that new AI project up 241% as we speak and climbing.
So if you've got to get on a decentralized, that's going to be on an ETH exchange. So is that going to be Uniswap or MEXC?
Yeah, here I'll go ahead and I'll share it again. I'll share the chart. It's up almost 6x at this point. I mean,
and I got to turn mine off. Dang it, stop it. There we go. There you go.
All right, here we go. I mean, it's just going, guys. It's up
put it
almost
up.
5x.
AIA, right?
Yeah, it's de-agent AI.
Yeah.
But again, guys, it might be too late to buy this one, but the point is the narrative of AI is strong. Everything is down right now, and this thing is up almost 5x. Like 6x really is what it's up, technically.
Here, let me switch you out, and I'll put it on. I've got it up on CoinMarketCap.
Cool.
There you go. This is the hourly chart.
Yeah. And guys,
yesterday it was this candle, the low of 168, the close. So it closed on the low. It went up and then went back down to 168. And then this daily today started at 160 and now it's at 615, almost a 6x since 7 p.m. last night.
Jim Cramer says we're in a bear market.
That's
it. Send it.
Yep.
So, guys, we're not saying buy this new coin because it's going up, because it's most certainly going to dump. But what we are saying is pay attention to AI.
Yep.
Because this is what's going to happen to a lot of different AI projects.
So what's the Manny? What's the ticker for Cookie DOA? He says that's an AI play with a $43 million market cap. What's the ticker on that? See if I can find it. Whoop. Dang it, I cannot type today. I can't do anything today.
JC's going back to bed. Cookie
DAO. Cookie DAO. All right.
That's the small one.
It's ranked number 520, so it's in the top. All right, let's look at. So down here, we're hanging out right now at 6 cents. All-time high is 80.
It's only a 70 million fully diluted market cap too, so it's still a lot of room to move.
Total supply is 1 billion currently.
It's funny.
It's 63% diluted. Okay.
So Mr. Mark just brought up something. So AIA is a BNB token, and his theory is that it's similar to the new Astra token, where it's going to pump and dump. But
I don't know. I mean, we see China pumping Binance and BNB. So if this is like a Chinese AI company play on Binance,
and notice that Trump specifically said China in that video that we watched.
Yeah.
So
if you feel like throwing a couple of bucks in,
going on right now.
Yeah. If you feel like throwing a couple of bucks in for a long shot, not a bad option. It fits the narrative. This narrative is moving today. What has this done in the last hour? Not much. Actually down. What is it on the daily? So it's still down. I will say
it does have a low profile score, so I'd be careful.
Yeah, just be careful.
Again, it's a really low market cap, so yeah, the gains are there for it to move, but the risk is also there as well. So yeah, no, exactly. Anything that is a low market cap is worth throwing a small amount of money into, especially if it's aligned.
If it's a popular narrative, absolutely. if I were going to do this, number one, you're going to have to do it on a decentralized exchange. Anytime I interact with that, I do it through MetaMask. I would actually create a new MetaMask warm wallet, hot wallet account. Like just go into your MetaMask and add another wallet, so you're not using any of your main wallets. And just to be safe, I wouldn't buy a token with this profile score on any of my main wallets.
Yeah, and again,
just
guys,
me personally.
There, most of the AI picks that were in the video, they still have a lot of potential to move, but they're probably some of the safer, more established ones.
Yep, just be careful. I've got this here. This is a CoinDesk article, but Ripple stablecoin RLUSD will now power MasterCard settlements on the XRP ledger. Great. The stablecoin, we talked about this a little bit yesterday. The stablecoin is it's like a US dollar. They can make as many as they want. It has no inherent value. It only has relative value to its asset. Like the US dollar has relative value to, or had relative value to gold. RLUSD will have relative value to XRP or whatever assets Ripple is holding to counter those. So anyway, here's a couple of highlights. This was from cryptonews.com. There's been 4 acquisitions this year by Ripple. Most recently, Palisade is a wallet and custody company. The Ripple's Garlinghouse said they're going to slow down their acquisitions, but they've spent multiple billions this year buying some more infrastructure companies. They're looking for the Crypto Market Structure Bill and Clarity Act to be coming through this year, which should be good.
Guys, that is what we are waiting for. The Clarity Act is really going to be the catalyst, I think, to kind of send a lot of this stuff.
So I figured out yesterday, I didn't know what this meant, this $500 million funding round, and now a valuation of $40 billion. So I'll get to that in a second. But even though we did mention the IPO stuff, Ripple's not looking to make an IPO. They don't need that. That's not what they're doing. You're raising capital on IPOs. They have plenty of capital. They did add a prime brokerage. They got corporate treasury management. So the new investment from Fortress, Citadel, Pantera, all that we talked about yesterday, that was a $500 million they raised funds, meaning now the valuation of the company Ripple is at $40 billion, and that does not include their holdings of XRP token. So just to clarify what that is. This is, again, their focus is on building out their entire ecosystem, not on what is this doing for the price of XRP. They don't care. We need to build up our stuff. So just be aware of that if you're going to hold XRP. Ripple is not building out their corporate infrastructure just to raise or lower the price of XRP. They don't care about the price of XRP.
Exactly. This is about the utility of the technology. Like
this right here, I think is a big thing. A master account with the Federal Reserve, because they bought Standard Custody. That was another big acquisition. What was that? A $2 billion acquisition this year? Dude,
it's still going. It's up almost 7x.
Oh, sorry. Let me back up. It's like live market watch. Look at this.
Bro, it's just mooning. It's absolutely mooning right now.
Do I have a shorter time frame? Let's do the 15-minute.
Look at that candle, bro. Can I short this? Where would I go to short this?
I don't know. I don't leverage trade.
I gotta
look at it, and it's not even $1 billion market cap, although it will be shortly. What's their total supply? 1 billion, max supply 1 billion.
It's a BNB token, so I'm gonna have to find an exchange that's gonna let me.
Who does BNB? Oh yeah, yeah. Good luck with that.
Yeah, because you have to use
Sushi. Would you have to use Sushi?
I don't know if Sushi Swap has perpetuals.
Can you do? I think you can switch to BNB chain on Uniswap, can't you? Anybody know?
Yeah, but I would have to connect to a DeFi platform that's on BNB. I actually don't know what. Yeah, I'm gonna look into that.
All right, I'll keep that up. We'll switch back to it.
We're gonna short this at 250x leverage, guys.
Yeah, this is great that partnership, and they've got a Gemini card, but none of that is. It's like choose your cashback reward. Do you want your cashback reward in Bitcoin? Do you want it in Ripple? Do you want it in Solana? It doesn't. That's fine. It's great to see general adoption. I don't think XRP partnering with MasterCard and Gemini to make an XRP rewards card is any bigger deal than any other thing. What else we got? Yeah, we talked about that. So I thought this was a good little breakdown of, okay, great. Big money is betting on Ripple's payment networks. $95 billion in payment volume, 75 global licenses. Their stablecoin is already over $1 billion. Which, again, that just means they have a $1 stablecoin and they've made $1 billion of them. Great. Infrastructure play.
Not like stablecoins.
No, I don't. They're not anything. They're a digital version of a piece of paper. They're not relevant other than they make it easier to, more liquid transaction. That's it. Like,
oh, I see what you got pulled up. All right, come on. I want to hear about this because JC got into the pre-sale of this. Let's see. Let's
go. I want to take some time on this, and for, if you're listening while you're driving, this is good for you because I'm going to actually walk through this. DEXRP, the first decentralized exchange for XRP. Reptar and I got in early on the token sale. We didn't buy a lot, but we bought some because we are big on DeFi. This is the DexRP posted something that said, hey, we understand we got people that don't necessarily understand what we're doing. So this is what we're doing. This is their tokenomics overview before their launch. The launch is Q4 2025. So we've got a month and a half to get this launched. Now I'll click over on their website here in just a second. But scheduled for Q4 2025, that's less than 2 months. Our team has noticed that many of our users don't have a deep understanding of the DXP tokenomics, but we're always here to help. So total supply, 2 billion. First part is allocated to the ICO stage, 500 million, 1/4 of the supply. Another core element is the liquidity provision, which is 300 million, so less than the ICO, but 300 million provided for liquidity. 800 million tokens are directly related to the upcoming listings on the centralized and decentralized exchanges. You have to put the tokens on these exchanges for them to be there. Okay, makes sense? Like if there's no tokens on those exchanges, you can't buy, sell, trade them. You have rewards and staking. You receive 10% of the total supply, so that's going to be 200 million is reserved for rewards and staking. See, look, I'm good at math. And the team allocation has a 12-month vesting period starting from when they launch the token.
Meaning the team cannot dump their token.
They can't dump for a year after the token goes live. That's what that means. All right. What if I click on that? Is that just the same thing? All right. Let me go over here to this. We'll see where we are in there. All right, so we're already up to 25.97. Oh, okay, good. So they're almost. Is this where we were the other day?
We're about $26,000 left of the token to be sold before.
Yep, 26 plus 3 is 29. This is their funding goal. I guess they're going to top out around here and give everybody about a 9 or 10 cent cushion from when they launch. 16 minutes until this little price goes up. See, there you go. See, somebody bought 346.5, which means it looks like they bought about $100 worth.
JC, I think I'm going to send you a little bit more. I think we're going to get a little bit more. I think we should do that because I'm getting more bullish on this project, and I mean we're still at 25. We go to and tokens listed next month. I mean. I think I'm really bullish on DeFi, and XRP has some big things going on, and this is such a low market cap, guys. This is going to launch this essentially a $7 million market cap. I mean, come on. I can't decide. I can't decide if I'm going to sell enough, basically a quarter of my position to get my initial back. Oh yeah, no, 100%.
If I'm just going to let it ride.
I mean, I think that's a smart strategy in general to do with any project. But this is one that I definitely want to keep in for a while just to see how the price action goes. Because guys, DJ and AI officially just hit $7 from $1. And it happened while we were on the show.
$7.20.
So the time that we've been on the morning show till now, this token's 7.
Yeah, these are 15-minute candles. So we've been on for 42 minutes. So we got 3 candles. We started at 472, and it's gone all the way up to 720.
Wow.
While we've been here
AI
talking.
is clearly the narrative. Definitely be paying attention because, again, we're. I think the bottom is in. I am certain the bottom is in, but not financial advice, guys.
Here's your AI tokens. Tau, ICP, Near Protocol, Story, Render, Filecoin, Virtuals Protocol, Injective, The Graph. That's not a bad entry there. ASI, I'm staying away from FET. DEXE, Theta. Guys, all you have to do, go to CoinMarketCap, click cryptocurrencies, categories, look for top AI and big data. So let's look at trending. Why is this not on here?
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, it just started.
How about 1 hour?
Maybe it's not trending yet.
How is it not? Here you go.
Oh, there we go.
Like, how is this not the top trending?
But look what's above it. Much bigger project, much more established project, and it's
look at
so
this.
low.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's a low.
114 million market cap, 35 million market cap.
Yeah, ICP is still so down though overall for like the year. So I think.
Yeah, but this right here, $3.5 billion market cap. And granted, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it can't go to 35 billion, but
True.
There's a whole lot more room to move here than there is here.
Absolutely.
A whole lot less liquidity required.
I do see it going to a $35 billion market cap, especially. But again, I don't see it going much higher.
Here's Cookie.
If it hits that, so.
Cookie Dow at 41. I mean, these are all just if you want to gamble, find the moving narrative, and then go here. And okay, so you look at and then just kind of start going down here, looking at this number right here. AI is the narrative. These are the top ones in AI. Just kind of start edging your way down here and be like, what? Where's my risk profile? This is at 204.
If you guys want a really low market cap, well, you gotta check out the last pick on the AI video. It will be out today. I will make sure it is out, and so you guys can get those picks.
Yeah. All right. Anything else we need to cover, guys? Keep an eye on that. We'll talk about it again tomorrow and see what happens. But yeah,
I'm
super
excited.
interesting.
I'm excited. I'm very happy to see crypto pumping, even if it's just AI.
Keep an eye on the narratives. AI, real world assets. What else? What else do we need to be? DeFi. AI, real world assets, and DeFi. Keep an eye on those. Render's not a bad get, but if you want something safe, Render's not a bad get under $2.
Guys, $1.93 for Render. I might have to buy more of that today too. All right, guys. Yeah. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you, as always, for joining us, everybody in the chat. Please remember to like the video. It looks like all you guys did. Appreciate you. And we will see you tomorrow for the updates. And hopefully the rest of the market's catching up to the AI narrative. And we're seeing some price action on some of our other favorite projects as well.
That'll be nice. Hopefully the government gets back in session and bills get passed and numbers keep going down and money keeps getting printed. And by this time next year, it's a $10 to $15 trillion market cap for crypto, and we all have Lambos.
Yes, and private jets and islands for everyone. Let's get it.
That's right. Let's go, Chompy. See y'all tomorrow.
Bye.